We're here in the vlog, guys.
Let's just make
Walk in action.
Like that's. He's so cute though.
Ready.
pressure, pressure.
Mr. Anybody put that jerk there?
Yeah man, more riches and blessings. Yeah, we're outside again, you know. Outside again. Fishing early at 7-6, you know. Back at it again in the morning, you know. Just set some fish pot and draw some, you know. So I go on. You see me? Yeah man. See fish pot there, man. We have 2 we are carry out. Slay already, you know. Water, you know. So we have ton load of ropes. You see it. Damn the rope, you know. From Shirley. Yeah man, fish pot is a must man, because without fish pot you don't work, you know. You see it. Once a pot fishing you have to fish pot. Can't go see when you see the other man fish pot, you know. That can't work. I feel always make fish pot is it. Yeah man, I have to come and see me. Father see. You see me. Once there.
Tree.
You want to see if you can find some Easter fish. That's it. Yeah. So boat load and ready. So before we start the morning, I'm going to say a read a prayer, you know. As a Father, please watch over us, you know. As we always say, guide and protect us. Keep us safe as we take on this journey, you know. Bless us as we go out and come back in the precious name I pray, amen. Yeah man. We're active man, we're active outside. Yeah, so peeps, finally time now to get rid of when I pack them. Go and go get some fish them, boss. I pat myself to go and go get some fish. The weather been bad, you see it? Yeah man. We pass week ago the weather been bad, so first I come and see for about a week and a half. You see me? The breeze that coming too early and the deep water pot them can't too draw them at the heavy breeze, you see, because it take a while, take time to draw. And then boom, breeze come on, breeze wicked, you have to run go in, that makes no sense, you see it, so you have to wait till the weather good. So we're active now, you know? Yeah man, on a good day, you see me? But don't forget to like, share and subscribe, you see it? Yeah man. Yeah man, so the party will just run off. But we don't we'll just throw off and run like roughly 400 to 450 feet deep on the water, you know? Yeah man. Roughly that. Probably all deeper too. Yeah man, say fish pot finally bank, you know. You see it. Take look more than what we expect still. So reach next spot also, we'll try that one here, you know. To come across first fish spot for the morning. So now I'm problem because half time we can't find it. And then boom, it appear up, you know. Probably have to go add some more back to the ropes because joking. You see me? But the problem for me. I was sail past it a couple times. Can't find it. Boom, we'll try again. And I hit that come up, you know. They killed me now. The empty people even a fish. But so you go still. You see it all night game. I have to just regroup and forward again. Get to a different location, you know? But the water been dead still. You see it, so I have to just go and try until we find the spot, you know? Yeah man. So find a different location feed, you know. Hopefully something going to feed there for. That's the next fish spot, you know? Boy, my peeps. Out of sea are dead today. You see it? Well, it's dead in both ways. Dead as in sea flat dead. And dead as in no fish not catch. You see it? But I just want them days still, you see me? Yeah, man. Every day is a fishing day, you know, but every day is not a catching day, you know? So, work with that. Come back again the next day. You see it? And do a thing, you see me? Yeah, man. But still give thanks same way as always. I have to give thanks, man. You see it? But still out the same way. A couple more part for draw. So I just gotta do that and head back home, you know? Yeah, we're not give up. Can't give up, you're mad. Breeze, come on, you know? So until the last fish spot I morning, or the last deep water fish spot I morning, so I can see what's going on. You see it? This is a lifesaver. Shush. One more empty pot, you know? Yeah, man, just one empty there. Fish in there, but no catching. You see it? No catching a fish, you know? So you come more while, man. Next time you're going to come and everything booming. You see it?
Side. Man, I scale fish and seaside like them find them. Like them find them and we don't find them. Huh?
Now find them and them not find them. No.
I'm not lie. I'll take them and try to take up this. I'll take them and take up this.
We're here in the vlog, guys. Shut up, vlog. Ready? Have that 3? 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Yeah, man, I've watched them. But they're not here enough, so I've watched them.
Sama po na sa kapo nun. man. Looking at people will be looking at sleeping. The grill of people go on ready to eat. After 2,000 years. The fire.
2,000 years later.
No, the fire catch.
Jedan million. One that one.
Oh, you're opening.
Very good.
Something to taste of the mouth.
Best dress neck. See that? Is that no man? I'm a picking a man.
Catch a man for a serious boating grill, you know.
I know you. Stick out weak still one. The strength.
Catch him.
He's so cute though.
Right. One brick badness. But more than that, ask you now, no come and sit there for grilled chicken. Grilled chicken and nana far.
Ryan promised to use him hand, but I don't know how to
So Snapper, how me hear say and they go use stir chicken, what keep?
Yeah, but money improvise and build something.
You know, see fog.
Yeah, it's a fuck.
You're going to see my caller last night, Bala.
Fuck in action.
Joking thing, anyone.
Yo, before I dead dog. Fishy. Fishing already to the
Fishing world. Make sure you go like, follow and share them videos.
A nice bag this.
It's gonna be one there bag. What is this?
Watch. Let them mix it. Rock? I'll put the water and done.
One fishing world.
Yeah. It's a zero.
Capsize, you want capsize?
Alright, that's all.
Plan, we are friends. But I just see some fish in my bucket, yeah. But I just see some fish in my bucket.
Ready.
Pressure. No talking, no pressure. Pressure.
We have to do it fast. We have to do it fast. We don't agree, so we have to do it fast.
I'm reaching. I tell the man, I'm the last near this thing. I said, I go back to him. I never have to sleep and wake up. That's the most my SMS I did this year. I've been there for work. Yeah. And then the pay cut reach and I said, oh, bad. Can't hold out. Oh, the next time you better. Which part did I go there? No, you put my name after.
Let's see. You good?
Lovely, thank you.
I should come buy food, you know.
Where me get the cookout from?
So for money I have to go up my restaurant.
I tell them money tough man. You don't say it's sick in bad. You must say anybody with jerky.
Period.
Jerky. I jerky from 40.
There's a bad piece of jerk chicken.
Miss anybody put that jerk there.
Boy, I had to mess up the thing out. Baby in a belly.
Yeah.
Sicking.
Sicking.
Wicked. Tell them the man.
How do it? How I jerky?
One rib. Never two. Water in a bucket.
Yeah. So fishing world 876, I get more sick. Fishing world?
Fishing world.
876.
876.
More sick.
More sick.
Yo, a big mouth.
Bring up boy with that camera and bring that one camera.
You shouldn't reach all this stuff.
Go on, mother.
Then shouldn't reach all this there. Even myself. Oh.
Yeah, fix a face, man. Fix a face, man.
Bring that one
You see?
When again? Tomorrow? Tomorrow, same time?
Yeah, same time.
I'll carry the lighter and the knife and the fork.
Yeah.
Hey, so one campfire shot before everybody left.
Campfire shot for the night though. Yeah, alright.
Don't cry.
You're good now. Let's say you want to stop ball now. You're good now. Happy.
Yeah. I'm with mommy.
One zero. Toast to life.
Money, come on. It's one campfire shot. Toast the life.
Brit, you can't know. Yeah, man, you got an F1 for anything, but you don't know anything, bro. No, yeah.
We make one FOF.
I forgot F1 for anything there. You don't know. Cheers to life. Oh. Today is a new day. I don't know Zimmy, but I don't know.
What's a beach?
I who's the beach?
Man, make up already,
There's a
man.
plain fierce beach. Cheers, I go for this. There's a plain fierce beach.
Plane fair must be plane.
Where you said
Plain fierce airport.
Plane fair only say airport.
Airport. St. John's.
I must airport.
Where you said
Come. Toast to life. More riches, you know, and blessings.
Shine is down.
You see it?
Many more to go, you know.
Yeah, man, more riches and blessings. And forgive thanks, you see it?
2, 3.
Wow.